noriwore gi anyuola e koja od bura no mosenindo. Anyuola no paro Chepkut kaka jal manojiwore kendo mamor kage koja tan piny Kenya William Ruto mondo koro tieg nyithinde wechego mag siasa. Spika ma Seneta Amason Kingi ne ochwalo ote makuyo mag Ruto mabende nopuoyo Chepkut kaka jatelo mariek mokalo. Chepkut no wito ngimane tarik 8 dweni kano ring kode osiptal. Familia mare wacho ni report mar bero noyango ni nolalo ngimane kaluwore gi tuo kata mna koto mar remo.
Is that life is short.
The country has lost an exemplary and selfless leader who was faithful to the people he served. Mheshimiwa William Chepkut was witty, approachable, and very easygoing.
Na alisimamia haki na akasimamia wananchi wote. Akiwa na shida Chepkut anasimama.
Chepkut was a God-fearing and resolute leader who cared for the welfare of the constituents and Kenyans at large. May God rest in soul in eternal peace.
Sudi, I'm asking you for one favor. I ask you to tell the current president now. I want to have a cup of tea with him and teach me the ways of how to become like my father.